Chevy. I'm flossing in my Chevy, my Chevy, my Chevy. I'm riding in my.
What's going on, y'all? It's your boy ENTHUSIAST 254, man. We finna get off into something back on the box Chevy. Small stuff. Not that serious. Gonna get these seals put on. I don't even know if I showed y'all the seals, but we got seals. Those seals. Let's go. Alright, so let me show you what we got right here, man. Those seals. I ordered these off of eBay. I don't really recall where the hell I got them from though. So, but they are for a $2 though. Comes with both sides. We're gonna have to get the old one off first. I just want to go ahead and pull them out and kind of get them orientated so we know what we're working with. Those seals definitely a defense. Those seals definitely an important defense against, you know, keeping water and shit out your ride. Keep your air in, keep your water in, all that good stuff. Alright, what's up, y'all? It's your boy ENTHUSIAST 254, man, and I just had to flex my hat game for y'all right quick. Shout out to my dog DJ Jamalot at DJ Jamalot on Instagram, man. So I had to flex my hat collection from at DJ Jamalot one time. Now, let's do a little montage. So, cue the music. So the following message has been brought to you by ENTHUSIAST 254, man. Make sure y'all go holler at that boy DJ Jamalot on Instagram. Yes, sir. Get your fitted ENTHUSIAST or Caprice today. So you got this corner spot, and then work your way around, boo boo boo, and then it has these little tabs here that just stick off into the door. How? There's little holes. That's all I know. So I'm gonna just match and go. Let's go ahead and look over and look at the door and see what we got. All right. So as you can tell, I already started kind of peeling it off. The old ones are kind of sticking off in there, but that ain't no big deal. We'll pull them out. We're going to go all the way up and around the I don't know if these portions are the ones that actually need the look at that. That's just, yeah. That's not gonna do it. Like I said, it's, as you can see, man, it's just coming off. I'm gonna need to probably get a screwdriver. But that one corner, that's kind of what I wanted to locate and find. That one little pointy corner. I'll get down here. Okay, so it looked like most of the seals with the little pegs or whatever, they go down here. Because as you can see, they all the way around. So that takes away that mystery. Yeah, they all around the bottom. Oh, that's not our little angle. Let's see what we got. So yeah, that's probably gonna be our that's gonna be our angle right there. It makes sense. It's the only one on here. So yeah, let me get all this off and cleaned up, and then we'll bring it back. All right, so we got pretty much the majority. I still got to get some of this stuff up out of here. But looking at the seal, that's how it seals in there, using the grooves between the door. So all of that residual old one, I want to try to get it out of here as best as possible. Larger screwdriver, and I'm gonna use a small screwdriver to try to get up in there as best as we can. Get as much as that out, but it does line up. First little joint being this one, and then you just kind of go around there. So we pull all these old ones out, and then snap in the news. That's number one right there. Also, as you can see, got a little bit of, it look like surface rust. So I'm gonna scuff that up, spray some paint over it so that won't become a problem. Alright, so now we got all the old and all, got everything ground down, everything taken care of, man. See the new boat seal in here. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All the way around. The only issue I have with this, it seems like it's a little long. Probably, I mean, I could probably put it like back. I mean, everything lined up, except for this. I don't know, maybe I just did some shit wrong. Maybe I should have worked around that way. Or, that's the only thing. I know that thing sealed up now. I know that thing sealed up. I know that thing sealed. Like all that shaking that we had going on between the doors and shit when we was riding. Yeah, that ain't gonna happen no more. That thing in there solid. Solid. Alright, so we got one more. Go to the next side. See, this should be pretty straightforward. You know, it's always easier when you're doing it a second time. You have a better understanding of what the fuck is going on. So, let me get this stuff out of here, man, and I'll cut y'all back on. Alright, so this one looked to be like in a little bit better condition. But you got to keep in mind, man, this car is a 1984, which could have been, it's a 1984, which could have been made in 1983, which means This car is 35, 36 to 37 years old. So that's just something you gotta keep in mind. So I mean, the fact that there's any door sill on here at all is probably a testament. So it's definitely time for these things to get changed out and get some new rubber on them. Alright, so I'm jumping back and forth a little bit today, man. I had to go get out that motherfucking shirt, boy. Hot than a bitch. Those seals on the Chevy. We also had to reinstall the door seals on the C10.
They said, hey, we want to
Turn my podcast off. See this one right here? That's what that one looks like. That's what a new one looks like. See the difference? Old busted, new hotness. So let me get this up off of here. I might need a bigger one. That might be too loose. Alright, so got the new one on there. Got it tightened down. Slack out. All the way shut. Good to go. Now we just gotta do the other side. Alright, so I'm just jumping around from thing to thing, man. I want to try this down. Oh yeah, like I was telling y'all, the door seal fit right on the other side. When I started at the fit on the door the right way. When I started at the corner, I took it off in there. But it's in there and it's better. So I'm gonna take the other side off. Not all the way off, I guess just scoot it around. But yeah, I was curious if I just take a USB drive with some music on it, stick it into our little handy dandy thing here. That way we can like kind of free up our phone completely. I mean, it's nice to have Bluetooth, but you know, sometimes you just might want to, I don't know, free your phone up. So let me plug this in, see what we can make happen. Okay. So got USB option. Tracks, okay. This is my shit right here.
You have a bunch of ideas.
This is my shit right here.
So, what do you think?
Something is definitely happening.
So you don't know what's happening. But whatever is happening, something is happening, right?
For me, nigga, no button.
Check this. I finally found a passion I lacked before. Can't believe I didn't catch on to the act before. I mean, I voiced my complaints, that one ignored. A few things you felt that you was too attractive for. Cause everything out your mouth said that you ain't wanna hurt. Let a lifestyle we live, but you ain't wanna work. So why sit you down and say it's getting
now I did add a folder on here.
And you was married, requesting dick pics from life, though it all seemed shady. Maybe I was crazy, I ignored my gut feeling.
Mom, not my baby.
Accusing me, but pretending yourself. I couldn't catch you, too busy defending myself. Or was I wrong not seeing a life without you or taking all of the lights?
I put some old shit on there for you. I don't know about it. Man, y'all don't know about it? I'm gonna make that trunk sing, nigga. Hey, man. Cut it off, nigga. Cut it off, man. I don't know.